When you search for the best metal lathe under $1,000, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to really understand what works and what doesn't, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Vever Mini Lathe Machine. First up is the Vever Mini Lathe Machine, priced at just $49.90. This caught my attention because it's a bestseller with a solid 4-star rating from over 500 reviews. If you want a lightweight, portable lathe for DIY projects, this is worth a serious look. The Vever Mini Lathe features a compact design, making it perfect for home enthusiasts. It has a sturdy aluminum alloy base and a solid steel headstock, which minimizes vibrations for more precise work. The 96W motor allows for speeds up to 8,500 revolutions per minute, so you can cut and shape materials efficiently. With 7 different speed settings ranging from 4220 to 8,500 RPM, you can easily adjust for various woodworking tasks. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're just starting out, this lathe offers enough power and control for small projects without overwhelming you. However, some users have noted that it can vibrate a bit at higher speeds. Now, here's the thing. If you're working with larger pieces or need absolute precision, this might not be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking to tackle small woodworking projects. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty for professional work. At this price, it's hard to beat the value you get with this lathe. Now, if the Vever's vibration issue concerns you, the next product on the list might take a different approach. Product number 2, Fesm Tech Mini Lathe Machine. Next, we have the Fesm Tech Mini Lathe Machine, selling for $62.99. It's got a solid 4-star rating from 76 reviews, and what struck me was its versatility for beginners. If you're looking for an easy-to-use lathe for small models, this is worth checking out. This lathe is designed specifically for DIY enthusiasts and offers multi-purpose functionality like turning, cutting, and polishing. It boasts a 96W motor, and its 7-speed options allow for fine-tuning your projects, making it a flexible choice for various materials, including wood and metal. Additionally, it comes with professional-grade tools that ensure durability and precision. Here's why this matters for you. If you're new to woodworking, the included instructions and support make it an excellent pick. However, a few users reported that the setup can be a bit tricky for absolute beginners. But honestly, once you get past that, the learning curve is manageable. This is perfect for you if you're just diving into woodworking or model making. Skip this one if you prefer something more heavy-duty. But at this price, it's a great introduction to the world of lathes. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next lathe might be even better for those needing more capacity. Product number 3, Vever 7-inch by 14-inch metal lathe. Now let's talk about the Vever 7-inch by 14-inch metal lathe, priced at $589.90. With a 3.9-star rating from 285 reviews, it's geared towards those needing something a bit more advanced. If you want precision and versatility, this one deserves your attention. This lathe features a powerful 550W motor, which allows for variable speeds ranging from 50 to 2,500 revolutions per minute. The high-precision 4-inch 3-jaw chuck is perfect for holding both square and round objects, making it ideal for threading and other detailed work. The upgraded design includes metal gears and an automatic power-off protection switch, enhancing safety and longevity. Here's why this matters. If you have medium-sized projects in mind, this lathe can handle them effectively without sacrificing accuracy. However, some users mention that it can take a while to set up properly. Here's the thing though, once you get it running, it performs exceptionally well. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or a professional looking for a reliable lathe. Skip this one if you're only doing very small projects. For the capabilities it offers, the price is quite reasonable. Now, if you're intrigued by this lathe's capacity but want something a bit more compact, let's check out the next one. Product number 4, Vever Metal Lathe 7 inches by 12 inches. Moving on, we have the Vever Metal Lathe 7 inches by 12 inches, available for $559.90. This one also has a 4-star rating from 84 reviews, and it really stands out for its sturdy construction. If you're looking for a reliable option for precision parts, this should be on your radar. This lathe boasts a powerful 550W motor with variable speeds that go up to 2,250 revolutions per minute. The iron construction ensures durability and stability during operations, while the 3-jaw self-centering chuck provides consistent accuracy, which is crucial for detailed work. You also get a professional compound rest that allows for various cutting angles. What's important here is that if you need to work on many precision parts or modeling tasks, this lathe can deliver. Some users, however, have reported that it can be a bit noisy during operation. But honestly, a little noise is a trade-off for the accuracy you gain. This is perfect for you if you need a workhorse for detail projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something quieter. For the quality you're getting, it's a solid investment. Now, if you want an option that leans more towards hobbyist use, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 5. Z-Char-UI All-Metal Mini Lathe Machine. Finally, we have a Z-Char-UI All-Metal Mini Lathe Machine, priced at $140.99. With a 3.8-star rating from 123 reviews, its all-metal structure sets it apart. If you're a hobbyist looking for something compact, yet powerful, this could be your pick. This mini lathe features a 36W ultra-quiet motor that can reach speeds up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, which is impressive for such a small tool. The all-metal design means you won't have to worry about plastic parts breaking. It's ideal for softer materials like wood and aluminum, making it perfect for model making and crafts. The precision molded scales allow for repeatable accuracy, which is a huge plus if you're working on detailed projects. What stands out here is that if you're a hobbyist or in STEM education, this lathe offers a safe and effective tool for learning and creating. However, some users found the size restrictive for larger projects. But honestly, if your focus is on smaller items, this lathe excels. This is perfect for you if you're into DIY or educational projects. Skip this one if you need something for industrial use. For its price and capability, you're getting a lot for your money. So, to wrap it up, we've covered the Vever Mini Lathe for DIY projects, the versatile Fesm Tech, the powerful Vever 7 inches by 14 inches for professionals, the sturdy Vever 7 inches by 12 inches, and the compact Z-Char-UI all-metal mini lathe. Each has its strengths depending on your needs. Choose wisely and happy turning.